Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting video where we dive into the world of technology and data protection. If you're anything like me, you probably have a treasure trove of data scattered across your devices. From your smartphone to your laptop and maybe even a tablet or two. From precious photos to important work files, keeping this data safe is crucial. Imagine losing all those memories or critical documents in an instant. And guess what? AOMEI has got your back. They understand the importance of safeguarding your digital life. This year, AOMEI is celebrating World Backup Day 2025 with an incredible giveaway. It's their way of saying thank you to their loyal users and welcoming new ones. For those who don't know, AOMEI Technology Company Limited has been a reliable player in the data protection game for over 15 years. That's a decade and a half of keeping data safe and sound. They're trusted by over 133 million users across 180 countries. Impressive, right? That's a massive community of people who rely on AOMEI for their data protection needs. Now, why should you care? Well, let me tell you, AOMEI's backup solutions are top-notch. They offer a range of features that cater to different needs, ensuring that your data is always protected. They're known for being reliable, easy to use, and cost-effective. You don't have to be a tech wizard to use their software. Whether you're an individual user, a small business, or a large enterprise, AOMEI has something for everyone. Their solutions are scalable and versatile. Let's talk about the giveaway. This is your chance to get your hands on some of the best data protection tools out there. AOMEI is offering free versions of their flagship products, like AOMEI Backupper and AOMEI Partition Assistant. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your data safer. These tools are perfect for safeguarding your data against hardware failures, malware attacks, and even human error. You never know when disaster might strike. Imagine this. You accidentally spill coffee on your laptop. Nightmare, right? But with AOMEI Backupper, you can restore your data in no time. It's like having a backup angel looking out for you. No more sleepless nights worrying about lost data. AOMEI also offers competitive pricing on their lifetime licenses and bundled deals. It's a great investment in your peace of mind. So once you fall in love with their free versions, upgrading is a no-brainer. You get even more features and better protection. Plus, their centralized management and agentless backup features make life so much easier for businesses. It's all about efficiency and reliability. But don't just take my word for it. There are countless testimonials from satisfied users. Check out the link in the description and see what real users have to say. Their experiences speak volumes. Spoiler alert. They're all raving about the intuitive interfaces, robust features, and reliable performance. It's a game changer. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this opportunity to secure your data. Head over to the AOMEI website and join the millions of satisfied users who've already protected their data. It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. Don't miss out on this fantastic World Backup Day 2025 giveaway. It's a limited time offer, so act fast. Remember folks, it's not a question of if you'll need a backup, but when. Be prepared and stay ahead of the curve. Stay safe, keep your data protected, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.